Hello there, my Aries collective. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Oh my goodness, Aries, what is up with your energy? Oh, sweet Jesus, Aries. What the hell you got going on here? Oh, well, there, you got the Lover's vibe. So what's up with this? The Two of Swords. The Fool vibe. Crown on that is the Temperance Angel. Relationship or partnership isn't working out. You've been pulling this energy, though. But it's kind of a fake-ass sort of vibe. Right? There's the King of Swords energy. There's the Page of Wands. There's the Two of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the King of Wands. There to the Nine of Cups. The single one's the happy one. The single one's the happy one. But damn, Aries, some of you with regard to like options or opportunities, what's the sort of vibe anyway? What's the vibe anyway? Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Wands, the Three of Swords, there with the Ten of Pentacles. Ooh, look at that. Not so lucky in love, but what? I don't feel like this was love. I don't feel like this had anything to do with love. Now the King and Queen of Swords is in the Nine of Swords energy. Ouch. Some of you with regard to like a work option or a work opportunity. Eight of Pentacles, the Hangman, the Six of Wands, the Capricorn energy, the Seven of Wands. There with the Eight of Swords, Ace of Swords. So some of y'all are getting single, or some of y'all need to stay the fuck single. Because damn, there's way too much of a player vibe. Aries, you are in Neptune, so that's like the ice planet anyway, right? So some of you with regard to like options or opportunities. Five of Pentacles, what's your favorite astrologer? Work, love, life vibes with you. The Knight of Swords, the Nine of Wands, High Priestess energy, the Knight of Wands, the Scorpio vibe. Oh, do what's your favorite astrologer? Do what's your favorite astrologer? Eight of Cups there with the Ace of Pentacles. It's a fertile vibe. Eight of Cups is given Virgo energy as well. Ace of Wands, the Knight of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Emperor vibe. There you are, Aries. Four of Wands with the Three of Pentacles. Oh. Damn. Some of you, those relationships or partnerships are definitely not working the fuck out. So, sweet Jesus, Aries. Aries, Aries, Aries. This doesn't have to be specific with you. Do watch your favorite astrologer and see how Aries, with regard to astrology with you. The Three of Pentacles, there could be an interesting sort of trine energy with you. Western or Vedic. Damn, Aries. The single one's the happy one. That's given like Aquarius vibes. So, sweet Jesus. The Two of Pentacles there with the Seven of Pentacles. The King of Wands there with the Nine of Cups. What the fuck, Aries? What the fuck? Queen of Cups, the Page of Cups, the Moon vibes, the Four of Swords. There's the Aquarius energy. To the King of Cups, to the Four of Pentacles, to the Two of Cups, Page of Pentacles, to the Nine of Pentacles, to the Wheel of Fortune. The single one's the happy one. The single one's the happy one. Pisces is in Saturn as well, so some of you see how that kind of affects your astrology, especially Aquarius energy. The single one's the happy one. The single one's the happy one. Some of you with regard to work options or work opportunities, I don't feel a lot of love on this. So I don't feel this is like really a romantic kind of relationship or partnership, or there really wasn't like any love. Some of you is a very passionate sort of vibe. So, damn Aries. Pisces and Aquarius energy. That's interesting for you. Two of Wands. Yeah, watch your favorite astrologer and focus on you. Not so great with regard to relationships or partnerships. Seven of Swords, the Six of Swords, the Eight of Wands, the Ace of Cups, the Ten of Wands. The single one's the happy one. The single one's the happy one. Six of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Libra vibe, the King of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, Empress energy, the Hierophant, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, the Five of Swords, the Five of Wands. Some of y'all, the group dynamics are changing up as well. That isn't necessarily specific to you. I think that has to do with like the Pisces and the Aquarius energy. The Three of Cups, the Magician, the Leo, Chariot, the Sun, the Three of Wands. The single one's the happy one. The single one's the happy one. Aquarius is pulling that same energy. So do watch your favorite astrologer. You got Leo, Cancer, the Sun. There's the Three of Wands. The single one's the happy one. Virgo, Four of Cups, Six of Cups, there to the Five of Cups. Damn, Aries, what the fuck is... I don't know, some of you, just because you have options or opportunities doesn't really mean shit, right? The balance is coming in, so stay focused. The single one's the happy one, though. The single ones are the happy ones. King of Pentacles, the Ten of Pentacles there with the Ten of Swords. The Empress, the Hierophant, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, the Five of Swords. So look for those group dynamics to switch up, Aries, and stay focused on you. Damn, Aries. I mean, what the fuck is this energy with regard to you? I don't feel a lot of love. I feel like it's some of y'all with the group dynamics or with regard to like options or opportunities. Everyone has options or opportunities, but now those options or opportunities aren't really working out. The single one's the happy one. So, damn, what kind of messy energy were you in, Aries? Some of you, I feel like this is like messy astrologically with you. So, do watch your favorite astrologer, Western and Vedic. Pay attention to what you need to pay attention to. Don't let your emotions overwhelm you, because I don't feel a whole lot of love on this. Some of you, the group dynamics are definitely switching up. And Aries, you are in Neptune, so it's kind of like cold as ice energy with you, right? Damn, Aries. I mean, for fuck's sake. The single one's the happy one. So I don't know if you had like choices or options, and those of you that focused on yourself. I like the Aquarius energy with you as well. So if you have like a Aquarius rising moon or Venus, there's the Pisces energy. Pisces is in Saturn, right? Eight of Wands, the Eight of Cups. What's your rules of retrograde? The single ones are the happy ones. So some of you, if you have like choices or options, just kind of wait this one out. Five of Swords. The Knight of Cups. Some of you don't feel like it's if this is regard to like a relationship or partnership, someone is not going to be that interesting of an option or an opportunity. I like the Aquarius vibes. Aquarius there with the Empress vibe. The world vibes here. Two of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. Ah, the single one's the happy one. So, sweet Jesus. Aries, Aries, Aries. Good energy if you stay focused on yourself here. So, Aries, now's not the time to foolishly be falling in love. Some of you with regard to like options or opportunities, like everyone has options or opportunities. So, I mean, it's good dating vibes. Take your time with regard to relationships or partnerships. Some of you are going to notice that the astrology is kind of working out on your behalf. Oh, focus on the singularity. I like the Aquarius energy with you. Someone scratching their head, scratching their ass, and then there you got that like Five of Pentacles energy, especially there with the Two of Pentacles. So I don't know. What's your rules of retrograde, Aries? I don't know. Is there anything better than the single person being fucking happy? The single person's the happy one. King of Wands there with the Nine of Cups. The King of Pentacles there with the Nine of Cups. So, what the fuck, Aries? Take what's yours, leave what's not. Trusting your instincts and your intuition. What's your favorite astrologer, Western or Vedic? I like the Aquarius vibes with you. I like the Aquarius energy with you. But Aquarius is all about focusing on yourself anyway, trusting your instincts and your intuition. So I don't know if you have a choice of partners. Some of you just kind of doing your own thing, staying focused on what's important specifically to you. So maybe now isn't the time. I don't know, if you're feeling stuck or stagnant, then you kind of need to pull that focus back on yourself. There, that Five of Swords, and with the Five of Pentacles, with the Two of Pentacles. Some of you, this is like the basic rules of retrograde. So, I don't know, the King of Pentacles and the King of Wands is happy as fuck. They're focusing on themselves. That could be like your duality when it comes to options or opportunities. Damn, Aries. I mean, for fuck's sake. I like this vibe with you. So I don't know if you're single. Maybe you're dating and you have a choice between two and you're just going to pull that energy back onto yourself. Some of you with regard to like work options or work opportunities. Focus on yourself here. The single ones are the happy ones. And some of you, the group dynamics are switching up. This could definitely be with regard to whatever kind of group dynamics that you have going on right now currently with regard to you, Aries. Everyone's got choices. Everyone's got options. I love that for you. So, I mean, date if you want to date. If you're not dating, you're not dating. The single ones are the happy ones. I feel like that could be like the Aquarius mantra, though. So, I see how Aquarius factors into your astrology, because I'm liking that. The single ones are the happy ones. So, just because you have choices or options doesn't necessarily mean anything. Damn, there's a lot going on here with regard to astrology with you. So if you're feeling kind of stuck or stagnant, you're feeling like you're in that Five of Pentacles, Five of Swords, there with the Two of Pentacles, just focus on yourself. Just focus on yourself. I feel like if you trust your instincts or your intuition, this brings about like better options or better opportunities. So, I mean, date, if you want to date, I don't feel like that should be what keeps you stuck or stagnant, or at least mindful of like the options or the opportunities. But the singularity, the single one is the happy one. The single one is the happy one. So maybe you're just like casually dating, or some of you with regard to like options or opportunities. But you're able to make sure that you focus on yourself. Some of you, this is like be mindful of rebound relationships or partnerships. This shouldn't overwhelm you. But at the same time, Aries, this should bring about some interesting like balance energy with you. Damn. Work, love, life vibes. I like this. I like this for you. I feel like what's your favorite astrologer? Because some of you, the energy isn't working out because the astrology isn't kind of working out. You know what I mean? I like the Virgo vibe. So I don't know if you've got a Virgo moon, Virgo rising. Some of you with regard to work options or work opportunities, you could choose to kind of do your own thing here. Some of you, relationships or partnerships, there's not a lot of positive energy on that. Some of you with regard to like workplace, you could be noticing that. So Aries, maybe you're sending out your resumes, you're looking at new options, you're looking at new opportunities. I feel like if it's like a dating vibe, you're just kind of doing your own thing. So you could be like very casually dating. I don't feel a lot of love energy on this. Some of you, those that think they're in love, or those of them with the sort of Ten of Cups vibes, it's not a lucky and